Floor Logic by Genesan is an innovative mopping system designed to offer superior control and efficiency in floor maintenance. It is part of Genesan's commitment to creating eco-friendly and high-performance cleaning solutions. This system stands out due to its zero-waste cleaning approach and its ability to maintain floors without requiring burnishing or frequent finishing applications. And to do this today, I'm pleased to welcome Meg Proulx, the head of marketing, training, and business development with Genesan. Meg, welcome to the program.
Thank you so much for having me on, Jeff. Thank you.
It's a pleasure. I can't wait to hear more details about this product, this innovation, but let's start right at the beginning. Why don't you tell us a bit about Genesan and your work with the company?
Genesan was founded in 2006. We actually partnered with chemical manufacturer Proulx of Belgium, and in order to bring those sustainable and innovative products to the US marketplace. So we really truly believe in sustainability with an end user focus and are incredibly focused on the advanced technologies of tomorrow, including probiotic cleaners that continuously clean and are much more environmentally safe and honestly have better performance and advantages to our conventional cleaners.
I understand that you're really proud of FloorLogic. Tell us about that innovation.
FloorLogic, like you said, is an integrated mopping system, and it really revolutionizes the way that we clean smaller areas and environmentally sensitive floors. So by simplifying that mopping process, we are eliminating the guesswork. So it provides a cleaner, more hygienic floor, a safer, more ergonomic process, and reduces mop usage, chemical usage, as well as labor. So it's really a very user-friendly system that allows for true cleaning on the go, and it's designed to eliminate waste, all while advancing sustainability.
I'd love to hear about inspiration, Meg. As your company was putting all this together, what was the inspiration and what gap in the industry were you really focused on to address?
Absolutely. So FloorLogic was really developed and born from a national BSC that really was looking for a better way to clean patient floors in hospitals. So by working alongside their staff, we were able to really evaluate and find out what the numerous gaps were in that process and in that system. So our goal was to develop a product that removed those gaps, that was easy to use, and of course, produce the desired results. We've taken it one step further in order to include applications that are beyond patient rooms. So really working with any smaller area floors, including floors that are really susceptible to odors and cross-contamination.
So talk about how you got input from the industry. You mentioned one BSC, I believe, kind of gave you some direction. Talk about that and also significant challenges during research and development, or maybe that aha moment when you knew you were on the right path.
As I think anybody who is in that sort of manufacturing kind of piece of things knows, it is not a straight line, and there is always a lot of tweaks in the process. So with working with that BSC, we were really, again, able to study how the hospital floors were cleaned on a daily basis. What are the things that everybody from, different viewpoints were talking about as a concern or something they were trying to solve in that? So during that process, again, we learned a lot, and we really realized that it was really incredibly important to develop a product that users would like, while also delivering, again, those desired results. So we did have quite a few tweaks along the way, a lot of testing, a lot of mopping. Our floors have never been cleaner. And what we really ended up with was a fully integrated system that will work really anywhere that the work needs to be done.
Yeah, I bet during that process your floors were squeaky clean.
They
Definitely.
were.
Okay, we talked about the inspiration, the development. Let's talk about the special features that are part of FloorLogic.
In addition to integrating all of those floor mopping components into one easy-to-use system. We really integrated the dilution system into that as well with an onboard activation system. Now that actually works, that activator works with our CAPS program, and our CAPS are these little capsules that are concentrated chemicals. So it's a no-touch, not an open system, which does really help reduce some of those risks that are associated with any kind of chemical dilution. And we also have that product in two particular different unique chemistries. So we have our Limpol Gloss, which is a fantastic floor cleaner that simultaneously cleans and protects the floors, any hard flooring, especially LVT, and then Genesan 2000, which is one of our probiotic cleaners that not only continuously cleans, but is really in particular great for odors and any kind of sensitive floors like restrooms.
So how is this different from other mopping systems?
Unlike conventional mopping systems, there are several things. We are eliminating our recontamination of our water, right? So we don't have to put our dirty mop into clean water, right? We're reducing that, eliminating that product waste, as well as the need to launder, which is a big factor in the use of microfiber mops. So the end result is really a simpler and safer process and leading to a cleaner, more hygienic floor.
It's funny you said that because just recently I was talking to a cleaning professional who says everyone always takes that dirty mop, puts it in the bucket, clean or dirty water, it's contaminated at that point. Let's talk about what's on everyone's mind these days.
Mhm.
How does this innovation, FloorLogic, impact green cleaning and sustainability efforts? We kind of touched on it, but there must be more information.
There definitely is. And that was a really big focus, not only because that's who we are as a company, it's really trying to be transparent about working towards that innovation as sustainability. And so here are the things that we found. FloorLogic reduces the amount of cleaning chemicals and water by about 70%. That's huge. We're eliminating some of the energy costs that are associated with laundering and handling of mops. The system also reduces the addition of microplastics into our water systems. That is an unfortunate byproduct of laundering microfiber. So these are a huge factor in the savings that it can offer, as well as the sustainability that it offers. In addition to our chemistries are certified by EcoLogo and really contribute towards the overall sustainability of the product.
So with all this in mind, what's been the industry response so far?
It's been really great. The hospitals that we've worked with have really liked the system quite a bit. It's very easy to train, and with a lot of employee turnover, it makes that process a lot easier to get everybody up and running in the way that you want them to be, a lot quicker, as well as the feedback from our current distributorship is also been incredible. So we're very, very excited, and there's a lot of buzz around the launch of our product.
Very cool. Talk about that, the launch of the product, your plans for the future and rolling this out and impacting the industry.
We are really excited to say that we are launching FloorLogic at the ISSA Show North America in Las Vegas. We're truly confident that we can add some real value as well as some solutions to today's challenges in facilities.
Well, Meg, thank you for this today. How can those watching learn more about FloorLogic?
Absolutely. So the best way to learn more is to get in touch with us. Folks can visit us on our website at www.cleaneasier.com. Feel free to give us a call, shoot us an email. We do have an in-house subject matter expert, Madison McEnroe, who is also very ready to work with distributors and their customers to really see how FloorLogic can serve their facilities best.